Hey guys, japchae. Probably you have heard it before at least once, if you are interested in K-culture. Once a royal dish, it is now one of the most popular traditional celebration dishes. Often served on special occasions such as weddings and birthdays. Traditional way of cooking japchae is very complicated and take many steps, but today I prepared the easiest and the quickest way of making a delicious japchae. Simple ingredients today. You can find 당면 easily from any Korean or Asian supermarket. Are you ready to cook with me? Let's get it!